All right, website analysis for sacredsoulhealing.com. So I got this email from Roberto, who's been with me for a while. He says that this is a client in the holistic and health substance abuse niche, and she wants to grow sales for her e-products and courses. Local business offers both in-person holistic health for substance abuse and trauma. Her budget is basically anywhere from $500 to $1,000. So yeah, I've been pretty deep in the addiction niche, and it's very tough. So if her budget is between $500 and $1,000, she is probably not going to do very well with Google SEO. My recommendation is that she create some type of channel on YouTube. So I don't know if she has a channel on YouTube. I'm trying to do this analysis more off the cuff, just because I want to kind of give you guys this analysis more over the shoulder. But let's look up Sacred Soul Healing, see if we can find her. Sacred Soul Healing. All right, so she does have something, yeah. So here's her YouTube channel. But look, she hasn't done a video in over a year, it looks like. She's got 45 subs, only 6 videos. So she was actually doing pretty good. My recommendation for her would be to start doing more YouTube videos, because that's going to get her a lot easier traffic for the things that she's trying to do, like e-products and courses. That's a very good way for her to sell those courses rather than doing Google SEO. The YouTube SEO is going to be a lot easier for her. She knows the content. She can do some deep keyword research, or that can be part of your fee where you do the research. You tell her what videos to do topics on, and then she does the videos on those topics. You can also help her with the thumbnails, where she gets better thumbnails, because 45 subs off only 6 videos actually isn't too bad. The views are pretty low though, so she might have had those subs just from current clients. But like this one has 156 views, and it's not very good. These titles are horrible. If she just had help with her thumbnails, her titles, and then her actual topics, then she could probably do really well here. It seems like she's very passionate about this subject. So that's what I would do for her for that fee, is do something like that. And then like the Google SEO for a lot of the holistic and health and like substance abuse stuff is not going to be worth it as far as like organic SEO. So I just looked really quick to see if she had a GMB, or GBP is what they call it now, and she does. And I think she's trying to be too many things. Like her categories are, all these different things. I think she needs to choose one of them and stick to that, and then start getting more reviews and things like that, and work on the GBP, because again, that's where you're going to get a lot of local business. So it seems like she's more interested by what you say on the courses and stuff, which I would really focus on YouTube for that. I think she get a lot of traction there, but she needs better thumbnails, she needs better titles, and then of course just, research as far as competition, what's getting a lot of views, just like I did. If you didn't see the last analysis I did for Golfer Geeks, kind of gave him the same advice. Do deep research on the channels that are really popular in this niche, steal their popular video titles, redo them in your own way, create better thumbnails, and that's a really good way to get a channel moving. And like I said, a YouTube channel where they get to know her personally, this is a great way to build trust with people, where they keep seeing your face, and then they can go to your website, sign up for your newsletter. You can constantly contact them. They get to know you, and that builds that trust where she can then sell those courses much easier. And I think YouTube is much better for selling things like courses and e-products than an actual website, because they can actually get to see her and get to know her and get to trust her, and then they'll be able to buy her courses. So that would be my advice for her, especially with her budget. Like you're not going to want to like go build links and things like that for organic SEO for the category she's in, because it's just not going to be worth it for you or her. So I think that money's much better spent on the YouTube stuff. Just do deep research for her topics, help her with the thumbnails, and then maybe a little bit of GBP help with helping her narrow down to one specific category, starting to get more reviews, and then from there she should start, popping a little more for whatever she's trying to rank for. But she's trying to go after all this stuff, it's not going to work. She needs to cut down to maybe just yoga or just, one specific area, and you can help her with research, right? So for example, she's in Klamath Falls. So yoga, Klamath Falls. And let's just see what it looks like as far as competition. So let's go to the maps. All right, so look, You got 6 reviews, 23 reviews, 14 reviews. So it's not, and there she is right there. Is that her? No, that's not her. But she's probably close, right? I think part of her problem is that she has way too many categories in her listing. Like, she got to narrow this down to probably just yoga if she wants to rank for yoga, and then start getting a little more reviews, and she could probably rank in the top 3 for this. So that's one that's more, is a little easier. Now, if she wanted addiction treatment, I bet you that's more competitive, so it'd take a lot more work. So like addiction treatment center, Klamath Falls. Let's see if they have a maps for this. They do. And that's actually pretty slim too. So if she wants to concentrate on that, there's only 2 in here right now, so she might be able to get in that as well for that, right? So I think she needs to pick one category though for the maps and kind of stick with that, and then she can really concentrate on the e-courses and the products with the YouTube channel, which builds a lot more trust. So that's what I would do with this website. I actually wouldn't do any organic SEO unless you're doing like really, really deep keyword research for long tail stuff. I don't think it would really be worth it. I would more go to the YouTube and the maps for one specific topic. So that's my analysis for this Sacred Soul Healing. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Talk to you soon.